Road rage and aggressive driving behavior, Part 3. How can you communicate your intentions to other drivers effectively? A. Using turn signals and brake lights. B. Yelling or shouting at other drivers. C. Changing lanes without signaling. D. Tailgating the vehicle in front. Correct answer, A. Using turn signals and brake lights. Which of the following factors can contribute to road rage? A. Heavy traffic. B. Tailgating. C. Cutting off other drivers. D. All of the above. Correct answer, D. All of the above. How can courteous driving help reduce road rage incidents? A. By showing respect and consideration towards others on the road. B. By driving recklessly and unpredictably. C. By honking excessively at slower drivers. D. By retaliating against aggressive drivers. Correct answer, A. By showing respect and consideration towards others on the road. Which of the following is not an effective way to avoid road rage incidents? A. Listening to calm music while driving. B. Taking regular breaks during long drives. C. Holding on to negative emotions from outside factors. D. Practicing stress management techniques. Correct answer, C. Holding on to negative emotions from outside factors. What should you do if you make a mistake while driving and it upsets another driver? A. Apologize or acknowledge your mistake if safe to do so. B. Ignore the other driver's reaction. C. Speed up and try to outrun them. D. Make gestures or shout angrily at the other driver. Correct answer, A. Apologize or acknowledge your mistake if safe to do so. How can you promote a culture of safe driving and reduce road rage incidents? A. Leading by example and practicing safe driving habits. B. Encouraging aggressive driving behaviors. C. Ignoring other drivers' mistakes. D. Engaging in dangerous maneuvers. Correct answer, A. Leading by example and practicing safe driving habits. Which of the following should be avoided while driving to prevent road rage? A. Using mobile devices. B. Engaging in heated arguments with passengers. C. Eating or drinking excessively. D. All of the above. Correct answer, D. All of the above. A. Driving too closely behind another vehicle. B. Changing lanes without signaling. C. Overtaking slower vehicles aggressively. D. Driving too slowly obstructing traffic flow. Correct answer, A. Driving too closely behind another vehicle.